Alright, so I'm gonna do some work on the BMW today. Just gonna change some rear shock mounts, the lower shock mounts in the rear. So let's do that. Let's jack up the car, start taking these wheels off. Always put jack stands in. Tools. Best kit. Awesome kit, Milwaukee. Can never go wrong. Exercise. Sparrows. Just took the wheel off. Let's have a look what we're going to change. So we're going to change this mount here. I don't know if you can see that's sort of cracking. So we're going to change those. We've got new ones of those. So let's start pulling it apart. $15 16 mil. I don't know why they use these bolts. Yeah. German engineering. Always gonna be different. Should be free to go now. Ooh, that's heavy. Got it out. It's all cracking inside. Not sure if you can see that. So we got the new ones. I'll get the new one. So here's the difference. Here's the old one. So cracking there, a crack there, and cracking sort of all over a bit. Very, very stiff. You can see cracking inside there. Compared to this new one, but the new one, genuine BMW, as you can see. Wasn't mucking around, didn't want to get an aftermarket set and have problems later, so just bit the bullet, spent the money, got the genuine, and I shouldn't have any problems. Just matching it up, how it's going to go. Well, what I'm going to do is going to lift this up as high as I can go and chuck it in there. Might actually clean around that first. Alright, we're in now. Okay, good. That was a bit hard. I'll probably go buy the proper Torx, like sockets, to tighten these up properly. We don't slip and round off the edge and ruin the bolt. This should be good enough for now, just to kind of bring it home and nip it up just a little bit. Okay, that's good. Now I might go get a little jack up this, and then we can put that nut in for the bottom of the shock and then tighten it all up, and should be good to go. All done. There we go. Yes. And like we're pulling it in. Spanner in there. Nice and tight. Still got to tighten up these Torx bolts, but I just don't have a tool, so that'll be I'll do that later. And we can drop the jack. That should be all good. That's all done. That's the new one in there. All right, let's put this wheel on and finish up with this side, and then we'll go do the other side. I like to just start them all off by hand like this. Just a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit. And then we'll torque it up properly with the big breaker bar. Now, let's move on to the other side. Now this side. This one's in a bit better condition, but still changing both. Just a spray bit of WD in there. There we go, that was easier. She's free. Camera out of the way. Yes, got it. That's an effort, man. Far out. Whew. This one's the same. This one's the same. See all that cracking there? All the cracking on the inside here. That is no good. changing them. Now, just clean that up in there, and we'll put the new one in. Put them down there. I'm not feeling too strong for this one. Woohoo! Oh, we forgot to clean it. Oh well. It's in there now. No, I don't like that. I'm taking it out. That was hard work. Okay, that's better. Yeah, let's bring him home and just give him a bit of a nip up. And then, because I can access this later, just jack the car up, put the proper socket on and tighten those up. Okay, now we're gonna get the jack this up again, put the nut on, tighten it up, and it's all done. Put the wheel back on. Put the nut on, tighten that up. Alright, that one's all tightened up now, all finished in there. That's pretty good. Tighten up that nut under there. All done. Let's take the jack down, put the wheel on, tighten up the wheel. All done. Tighten these ones up. Cool, right, thanks guys for watching. Yeah, glad that's all done. So yeah, I got new lower shock mounts in there now and should be good to go. Awesome. All right, thanks guys, take care.